Hey, what's up and what's going on guys? This is Shivashankar and back with a new video. Today in this video I'll be building mini gaming PC with a budget about 37,000. Yeah, and the specification of this gaming PC is 8GB DDR4 processor RAM, GB motherboard and i3 processor with 8th generation, which is an inbuilt 4GB of Ultra HD graphic guys. Yeah, it's very good I think. And 250GB of Samsung SSD with a Toshiba 1TB of hard disk. If you are a builder, if you already know how to build, if I made anything wrong, please guide me and please give a comment so that I can improve in the next build. And this is my first build. I don't know what to do. I don't know what I'm going to wrong, but I hope I will do good. Come on, let's get started.